All right, welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, so let's look at this equation. Okay, we have 2 on x plus 3 on y equals 4 with the following conditions. Okay, we have to solve for x and y. Now let's get started. Solution. Now let's find the LCM here, or you can multiply both sides by xy. So let's multiply both sides by xy. So we have 2 on x plus 3 on y equals to xy times 4. All right, so I've done nothing. Okay, so let's expand the bracket by multiplying 2 by xy. So with this side will be xy times 2 on x plus xy times 3 on y equals to 4xy. Okay, so this side will cancel this side. I've left 2y plus, so y will cancel y, 3x equals to 4xy. Okay, so let's arrange this one by sending everything to the right hand side. Okay, so that will be 4xy. So minus, we are sending everything. So let me move the y to y. Okay, so we have minus 2y minus 3x equals to 0. All right, now let me take 4y out here. Okay, so once I do that, this side will be 4y. I've left with x here minus 2 on 4. We know 2 on 4 is the same as half, but let's keep 2 on 4 for now as we move along. Okay, so we have 4y times x, 4xy, 4y times this side will be 4y times 2 on 4. So this one will cancel this. That will leave it 2y. So I've done nothing. Okay, now we are going to add something, or we are going to supply something to this so that we get the same factor here. Now let's observe this one more. We have 2 here, 3 here. So let's find the product of 2 and 3 and divide by 4 and put it over there. So 2 times 3 is 6 over 4. So we are going to supply 6 over 4 to both sides of the equation. So let's go. So I'll add 6 over 4, so plus 6 over 4. Okay, so I've done nothing. If I send this one to this side, it will cancel out. Okay, all right. Now this side will be 4y x minus 2 and 4. Okay, all right. Now let me take minus 3 out here, which I will leave with x minus 2 on 4, because minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 3 on minus 3 times minus 2 on 4 will be plus 6 on 4 equals to 6 on 4. All right, now let's write what is inside the bracket first. So we have x minus 2 on 4, then we have 4y minus 3 equals to 6 on 4. Very, very beautiful. Okay, so what we are going to do, since we can make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication, so I'll multiply this side by 4. It's like saying it's like saying 3 over c equals to 5. So this one will multiply that to get 5c equals to 3. Okay, so this side will be 4 times x minus 2 and 4. We have 4y minus 3 equals to 6. So let's go. We have 4x. So 4 times this side. So we have minus 2 on 4 times 4. So the 4 cancel the 4. I will leave it minus 2. So this side is minus 2. And this side will be 4y minus 3 equals to 6. As simple as that. Okay. Now let's go ahead and then solve for x and y here. So let me repeat it here. 4x minus 2. All right. Now we have so many cases here, okay? So we can write 6 as 6 times 1, 1 times 6, 3 times 2, okay? So let's start with case 1. So 4x minus 2, 4y minus 3 equals to, so the first case 6 times 1. It means 4x minus 2 is equal to 6. Or 4y minus 3 equals to 1. So to this side, 4x equals to 8. Therefore, x is 2. And this side, 4y equals to 4, y equals to 1. So that is for case 1. Now let's go to case 2. Now with the second case, 4x. So the second case will be 1 times 6. 1 times 6. So it will be 4x minus 2 equals to 1. Or 4y minus 3 equals to 6. So this side will be 4y equals to 9. Y is 9 on 4. And this side is 4x equals to 3. Okay. So x is 3 on 4. So with the case 1, we have x equals to 2. Y equals to 1. Case 2, x equals to 3 on 4. Y equals to 9 on 4. So let's look at the third case. 4x minus 2. Okay, so 4x minus 2 equals to 3, or 4y minus 3 equals to 2. So 4x equals to, so 2 plus 3 is 5. X is 5 on 4. And this side, 4y equals to 5. Y is 5 on 4. Okay, and the last case will be 2 times 3. Okay, so when 4x minus 2 equals to 2, or 4y minus 3 equals to 3. So this side will be 4. 4x equals to 4. X equals to 1. 4y equals to 6. Y equals to 6 on 4, which is 3 on 2. So we have another case. All right, so we have 1 2, we have 2 answers here and we have 2 here. So the next one will be 2 times 3, so we have 4 cases. All right, so that's that. So we have the solutions here. So x equals to 5 on 4, y equals to 5 on 4, and then y equals 3 on 2, x equals to 1. All right, so that's that.